Here's a pair of the Google Pixel Buds 2a. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is let's go to the Bluetooth settings on our Samsung TV. So you can just click on the home button. And then you want to go to the settings. So we're going to go left and then we're going to go down to settings. Right there. And then move over to all settings right there. Click on all settings. From here, we're going to go down to sound right there. Go ahead and select that. And now you see sound output is currently coming out of my TV speaker, but we want it to come out of these, all right? So we're going to select sound output. Now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list right there. We're going to select that. And now that little spinning thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. So let's put these in pairing mode, okay? So go ahead and open these up. You'll know these are pairing mode, but it's blinking white here. White, white, white. I have a solid white light. That's because I'm paired to another device. So let me just leave the lid open. I'm gonna press and hold this button for 5 seconds in the back. Hold it, just hold it. I'm holding it, wait till it starts blinking. There we go, now it's blinking. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let me jump over here and see if it found it. It's still spinning, so it's still searching, and these are in pairing mode. So I'm going to keep going down here, and what do you know? Pixel Buds 2a says needs pairing. Go ahead and select that. Pair and connect. Give it 1 second here, and voila, it is now connected. So you can kind of go up, and you can see it says connected right there. Okay, pretty simple. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these if you need to do that. Look below in the description area.